All right, guys, welcome to another video. One of the questions I get asked a whole lot on all of my AKASO action camera videos is how to update the firmware. So I decided I was going to do a video. So if you're interested, stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear review, action camera videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Take that first step, click subscribe. All right, so currently I am holding the AKASO V50X, one of my many AKASO action cameras. Now, I've done a pile of videos on AKASO cameras over the years on my channel. And one of the biggest questions that I get asked is about the firmware. Now, I can tell you I've owned AKASO cameras now for roughly 4 years. I've never updated the firmware on my own. I don't know if it does it on the back end, but I want to do this video to show you how to check to see if you have the updated firmware on your camera. Now, what I'm going to show you is going to work on every single camera that AKASO makes. It's not one way on this camera and another way on another camera. I just decided to bring the V50X out here today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the motions and I'm going to screen record it and show you how you do it through the process, because I can't do it and show you because it takes your phone, and which that's what I'm recording on, so I can't do both. So I'm gonna have to do it and screen record and do a voiceover and show you how to do that. But I get asked that question a whole lot on how to do that, so that's what I'm gonna show you today. I'm not gonna show this part, but you do have to turn on your camera and you have to turn on the Wi-Fi, and then you're gonna connect your phone to your camera just like you would to download your pictures. All right, so when I show you, when I start the screen record, we're already gonna be in the AKASO Go app. There you go. So right here, you want to connect your camera, and then you're in the live view. And on the top right corner, you'll see a little cog wheel. Tap that little cog wheel, and the very top one says firmware update. Once you click that, it's going to let you know that mine is currently up to date. If it's not, it's going to tell you how to update that firmware. Then you can just close it out. All right, guys, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, hit subscribe. You know what? I've got a bunch of videos on AKASO. If you found this video helpful, I'm sure you'll find one of the other ones helpful. So hit that thumbs up and hit subscribe, and drop me a comment. What did you think about the process? It's pretty simple, and I will see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. So until then, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.